welcome to Gucci Slam Bum Bum Bum.com. Stuff. And what do you want? I'm about to smack you this instant. Okay, so you want a 32 ounce caramel frappuccino. You know how much it is. Frostbite 6 ounce. That is $2. Happy cake is 8 ounce. You know how much it is. Assistant, what are you doing? Okay, whatever. Weird Day 8 ounce. Okay, an Oreo Crunch 8 ounce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll add it up and text you. Stop, please, assistant. Sorry, I'm assistant. Bye. Okay, I'm gonna add it up. $50. $2. $4. Okay, that's $56. Okay, plus $4. Stop, assistant. $4. That is 60. Can you stop? Continue. Don't. Okay, so that is $60 plus 4. $64. Wow. Oh, that's a deal. Okay, let's start a video. Can you shush, please? Okay. Hey guys, it's me. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. I am Anna Maria. And today I have another slime package. And my assistant's being dumb right now. Go make some more slimes.
Okay.
Just go. Okay, he went. So the first slime she ordered. Her name is Izzy.
Out the slime.
Go get glue, borax, and pigment and glitter and everything to make slime. Bye. Her name is Izzy, and it's going to her, and she has a little brother. And yeah, so the first slime she ordered is actually $50 because it's expensive because it's 32 ounce. Like 32 ounce. As you can see, I'm playing with it in the container, trying not to spill it. And yeah. So that's my stuff. Did you get it? Did you get the slime stuff?
There's nothing anywhere out.
Just go to the store. Here's $1,000. Go get slime supplies, okay?
Okay.
So that was the 32 ounce.
That one. That's the 10 one.
Put it in a container, please. Okay. So the second slime is Frostbite. This is one of my favorite. Thank you. This is a glossy white base, and it is white, obviously, and it has blue sequins. Where are you going?
I'm going to work.
My sister has another work, but here's the blue sequins. It's beautiful and it's rare. And she bought it for only $2. This is a 6 ounce. You back? Here. Thanks for bringing me a treat. Okay, next is Happy Cake.
Coffee?
Thank you. Oh, I love when this happens. This is Happy Cake. I won't get off the lid for some reason. Okay, that's enough.
There's nothing.
This is an 8 ounce. And it's a beautiful white base slime with blue, green, and orange sequins, and it's just called Happy Cake. Wait, no, this is Weird Day. Never mind. Never mind, this is Weird Day. I'll show you Happy Cake. Okay, here's Happy Cake. Why did he say Happy Cake was on Weird Day and Weird Day on Happy Cake? Never mind, it's fine. So here's Happy Cake, and it's different colors, and it's a beautiful, weird, it's rubber band slime. It used to be a trend. Huh? Oh, your cousin's house. Okay. Bye. But it's beautiful and nice. And I'm just looking to get this because this is the last one. You're back?
Yeah,
Thank you.
this is right here.
Hi.
You take her every you fight. Okay?
Okay.
I get store.
Okay. Y'all look exactly the same. Are y'all wearing the same things? Well, bye. So what's your name?
Peyton.
But no, that was my sister.
Mark.
Your name is Mark. Okay. Is it Mark Peyton? Mark and Peyton?
Mark, because Mark is a P and
Oh.
S and O.
Okay, bye. Okay, so they left. Okay, next thing is Weird Day. We already did this one, but because I thought this was Happy Cake. But it is Weird Day. I already explained it. It's amazing. Not this at all. See? This is amazing.
Here I go. Hey,
Oh. Thank you.
It talks.
It does. Okay. Keep him in a cage so he doesn't get into my stuff. Please. Okay. Please put him in a cage like this.
Okay.
Okay. So thank you for bringing me a treat.
Okay.
Next is Oreo Crunch. This is my favorite crunchy snack. But there's some fallout, not a lot, but there is some fallout.
He got out.
Well, put him back in. Here
He's
it
tired.
is.
Wanna go to bed and drink?
Then go.
He's drinking.
His bed is the crate now, okay? So it's a really good. Okay.
He's drinking soda.
Okay. So I'm done showing y'all all that, and this is $64. The highest is obviously the
Hey.
32 ounce. What?
He's on bed. He's pooping.
Get him off the bed. Whatever.
He's pooping.
Well, get him off of there.
I think cool on here.
Well, don't bring it near me.
There's
I
poop on
actually
bed.
just ran out of some bags or my usual bubble wrap and packaging. Okay, I need to take some out of here.
Mine got gone.
Okay, bye.
No, my cousin's house. I wouldn't see.
Another cousins?
More
Okay.
cousins. My brother's right here. My brother's right there. More cousins.
Okay. Okay, yeah, since there was too much, we'll just...
Have a watch. Have a watch.
Okay.
There's a watch.
Okay.
Brothers.
Bye.
There's a lot of brothers.
Okay, so My video's getting long, but I ran out of. Okay, bye.
This is a girl. This is a girl.
I know.
This is a girl right here.
Okay, I know that's your crush. Whatever. Go in a different room. Okay, I ran out of my originally package, which is bubble wrap and boxes. Can you go in that room, please? Not in here, that room. I'll call you out.
I'm sorry. I'm scared.
Don't be scared. It's just a room. Okay, just stay there, okay? Just stay there. Okay, so I barely have any room for extras, so.
There's more dog and more.
It's fine. Just stay there in your room.
This is not. There's more family here.
Are you going to your cousins again?
No, no family. Have no family out here.
Oh, no family. Okay,
Hey, come.
I can't. I'm doing a package in a video.
There's no place.
Okay, I'll be there in a minute. I had to go pack in a minute. Okay, so I'm in the video here, and hopefully she makes a video and gives a good review. I put that bunny animal in there. Okay, so that's end of my video. Bye. Hey guys, it's me, Izzy. If you don't know, I just got back from swimming. Baba. Stay quiet in the living room, please. Shh. Okay, so I got a slime pack from Gucci.com. That's a slime shop, by the way. Can you stop with your tiger or cheetah? Just stop, please. But this was $64. I had the invoice. And stop, just stop, okay? The first thing I pull out is this. I think she only sent one extra, which is this. Which is cool, I guess. But let's open this. I bet this. Knew it. I so knew it. It smells so much like coffee now. This is a 32 ounce. Wow.
The gun.
Okay, just stay over there.
The gun.
Okay, this is my 32 ounce. It's caramel frappuccino, and I'm not going to take any of it out because you can just hear the ASMR.
There's food here.
Okay. But, okay, yeah, that's good. That's the mess with that. Okay. So, next thing I pull out is going to be this. This right now is, I see a blue sequence, and this is a 6 ounce container. Yeah, this is my only 6 ounce in the package. This is, can you shush please for a minute? This is Frostbite, and it's white with a blue sequence.
Sit down chair.
Okay, sit on a chair. But this is amazing. I'm not kidding. Can actually do ASMR since it's only a 6 ounce. Try and make it ASMR worthy. There. Okay. Okay, so let's put this up. This looks exactly like what it looked like on the picture. Same for the 32 ounce. Okay, next I hope I pull out the happy cake because that's the next one. Yep, I can tell this is happy cake. from all the rubber bands, it's a rubber band slime. So, ooh, happy cake is a weird texture. Stop that, please. They're making so much noise in the kitchen, but this is happy cake. If you can't see the rubber bands, it is in there, as you just saw. Huh? Okay, go to church. It's my my brother. Bye, go to church. But this is okay. But oh, okay, go. But this is a good slime. The store is right next to us, so it might take a little while or it might not. Thanks, bro. My older brother just brought me some lunch. Okay. Ooh, I wish I could sell myself, but I can't, but yeah. Here's one of my slimes. It's really good. Okay, the next, I was just showing you. That was one of mine. Next slime is, I hope I pull out the right one, which is Weird Day. It's supposed to be it's an 8 ounce. This is a, I love when this happens. Like, it's weird when it happens, but it's cool when it happens. But this is Weird Day. It has rubber band sequence, and it's really stretchy. I did it fast. I did it like this. That's why you can do it really fast. Like, decent. It's really good. So thank you for this, and it fits in there. And the last thing, which I was hoping for this whole entire time, but I wanted it to be the best for last. Dun 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 dun. Oreo crunch crunch. Oreo crunch 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 crunch. Okay, so I've been wanting to get this from so many different stores, but I saw hers, and it looked like her charms look the one, there's foam beads that look like rocks, and it was just so unique. I thought it was time to get the Oreo Crunch from this store, which is so the right choice because it feels nice and it's real crunchy. It's a couple fall out, but not too many. So, here's one of the most realistic charms in here. There's really realistic ones, and there's some that aren't realistic. That was my package from Gucci. I'm bad at singing, but she's good at singing. Like, I got a recording. It goes like this. Gucci, oh Gucci, da 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 da, slimeshop.com. That was the recording, and it was. But thank you for watching, and thank you, Anna Maria, for this slime package. Bye. Okay, guys, this is real life. Okay, so I have guests over, and I wanted you to show them. Auntie,
Talking to. Hi.
this is my auntie Ellie, or Eleanor. Sorry. as you've seen Pepe on my channel some. So this is Pepe, who played my assistant and my brother, my cousin, and
Ladybug.
Lahua, come here. Come into the light. You guys, I want to show you something.
Yeah, I meet him at the same place as last time.
My mom. Come here. And I have another cousin. This is my cousin Lahua.
Oh, are you taking a video?
Yes.
Hi.
She also has a YouTube channel, I think. Don't you?
I have like one video on my YouTube.
Yeah. Go follow her on Instagram and subscribe.
Okay.
But she just started, I guess, because she only had one video.
Girl, I had one video for a long time ago.
Oh well. But yeah. Bye-bye. Okay.